Now in front of us we have question 1, 8th part, exercise 3.6. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So first we will get the linear equation by putting some value here. So put some value, put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So we get 1 upon, this is a plus b equals to 3 by 4 in equation 1 and 2. So this is third. Now this is 1 by 2 1 by 2 a minus 1 by 2 b equals to minus 1 by 8. We will solve this. We will get 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. So this is our fourth equation. In the same way we will solve this. This is 4a plus 4b equals to 3. This is our third equation. Now we will add the equation 1 and equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4, we get 4a plus 4b, 4a plus 4b equals to 3, 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. Then we will add, we will get 4a plus 4 is 8a, this is 2, a is equal to 2 by 8, that is a is equal to 1 by 4. Put this value, put value of a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 3. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b equals to 3. That is 4b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 by 4. That is b is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of b. But a is equal to 1 by 3x plus y. This implies 1 by 4 equals to 1 upon 3x plus 4. That is 3x plus 4 y. 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is our equation 5th. And b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So b is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. We will solve this first. This is 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is our equation 6. Now we will add these equations 5th and 6th and find the value of x and y. Adding equation 5 and 6, we get 3x plus y equals to 4, 3x minus y equals to 2. When we will add, get 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. Okay, now put the value of x in equation 5. Put value of equation, value of x in equation 5th. That is 3 into 1 plus y equals to 4. That is y is equal to 1. So this is the solution. Thus the solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.